know this is not much, but you just have to see this. Remember, this was badly bent out of shape, and it hit something, I guess maybe backing up, and this was all out. So I took these and got up under there and then pried it back in. And I started with the heat gun. It started right here, a little bit up here, and a little bit here. And it's slowly coming back, just almost like a kayak. I thought I was going to have to hold pressure here. That's been under, man, that's been under pressure for a while, being jammed like that. I'm surprised nobody would take the time to fix it. Not that hard to do. Replace them at the golf course. They did have a cool sticker here though, surfboards. I may go with the antique look and just leave it like this. I was thinking about wrapping it. Wow, that's a lot better. It's not perfect, but it's better. Then I'll just take the heat gun and warm these up. They're coming off already. And 2008. I can remember that's when my business dropped in half. By 2009, my business had changed so much. People were afraid to spend money. Goodbye, oh wait. I'm gonna Power Plus system. I'll probably let this set a little bit. And hit it with this heat some more. Be careful when you lay that down. This, because that chrome part right there is really, it's hot enough to peel the skin off of you. Lay it somewhere where nobody's going to step on it. Your kid's not going to come in and get on it, or your dogs are pretty smart. They probably be all right. But I topped off all the batteries and I plugged in the charger. You see the charger sitting up right there? The charger didn't even buzz, so I'm going to take the charger by a friend of mine over at the golf course and see if he can take a look at it. It was sitting back here along with the new spare tire, just covered by this cover. Which that thing's a mess. I have to clean that up. They're not expensive. You need another cover, $60 probably. But if you don't have to buy it, that's even better. And I got the cooler that was sitting right there. It was it's in there soaking in bleach. Let's see what's in the bag before I shut the camera off. Right. Got it. Extra battery cable, 1/2 inch and a 9/16 inch spanner or boxing wrench with it. We got another starter cable and one more cable here. I'll check this out. Another thing for spreading sand. Another. I think I just have. No, I have two. So that will be another golf cart heater. Man, that thing's gonna be nice. I'm gonna have to figure out how that works. I know how this one works. This can't be difficult. Just put a small tank in there and turn on the pilot, press the piezo igniter. The igniter may need a new battery. Let's take that battery out of there because that's a mess. I clean that out of there. Take some time and clean it. People put things up like they're just never going to use them again. Just don't get it. Yeah, I'm not putting that back in the bag. And just throw this back up here. So I got a golf cart heater with it. Golf cart heater, golf cart cover, spare tire, brand new with the sticker still on it. See, still got the sticker on it. Alright. I'll see y'all later. If you get a chance, subscribe and then like. And also if you hit that notification bell, it'll let you know every time I got something new popping up. So thanks for watching. See you soon.